Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create Gamma 2 in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. We will go through the character creation process, focusing on key details to accurately replicate his iconic appearance. This guide will help you select the right race, body type, and essential accessories to bring this powerful android to life within the game. Get ready to customize your fighter. First, you will want to select the Earthling race for your custom character, as this provides the most suitable base for his appearance. Next, adjust the body type to be tall and muscular, reflecting Gamma 2's imposing physique and strength. For skin color, opt for a light, human-like tone to match his android design. These foundational choices are crucial for an authentic recreation of this powerful hero. Now, let's focus on Gamma 2's signature attire. You will need to equip the Red Ribbon Army uniform, which is central to his identity. Then, add his iconic red cape, a crucial visual element that makes him stand out. For his head, select a helmet that closely resembles his unique design, complete with a bright blue visor. These pieces are vital for capturing his complete look. To finalize your Gamma 2 creation, choose a voice that fits his android persona and a fighting style that emphasizes powerful, precise movements. For his abilities, select energy-based attacks, such as beam attacks or energy blasts, to mimic his combat style. Finally, pick a pose that captures his confident and heroic demeanor, completing your perfect Gamma 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.